So what happened?
It's happening. I'm getting my RV today, picking it up, taking it to the RV park. You ready to go? Yeah, it's happening. This is my first vlog video, and today's the day. I'm getting my RV and I'm excited about it, and I'm taking y'all with me. It's happening. So I'm about to go pick up Des, and I'll see you later. Oh, hey, Des.
Hello.
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready? That's the real question.
I'm excited.
You excited?
Excited.
Let's get up out of here.
Okay.
And get your trailer.
Hey. The other one is saving though.
I hope so too.
As your cable hook up, most campgrounds will have cables that will be developed right here. Your city water connection, that's where the hose is going to go. Do not ever confuse. Yes, if you get those backwards, you'll fill up your black tank and
Ew.
and it's got to go somewhere. Question about anything? I don't think there's anything.
Just happy for you.
This is.
No.
A year and a half. I got her like 3 or 4 months ago. I've only had her a couple of months. When I first got her, I left her at home and she destroyed my house. So I brought her to work. She's been working on it ever since.
Now she's shopping. This is not on the agenda.
I like it. I like.
It's got surround sound.
Christie. Oh.
They don't make them like this anymore though.
Right.
They don't.
Got the pops out on both sides, so it's plenty of space. I still have space over my head. I don't have to worry about ceiling fans hitting my head on.
I have to call my agent. Well, this is good training. It's a tight fit. And it's a good thing you got these mirrors because we can see all the way around it. You're going to learn how to operate it off the field. It's different in a parking lot than it is going up and down a public road, but like I said, you'll be going, you'll pull off the highway, you've been doing 70, you got your stuff turned up, and then you start going a little slower, and then you'll tap on the brake, and it'll feel like that trailer's, really pulling you back. You can back off of it, make it feel a little bit smoother, but at the end of the day, that's the feel you want. You want to feel like that trailer's just pulling the rig back just a touch. All these things right here, we're using 30-year-old brake controllers, and there ain't no screen, there ain't no numbers. It's just a little LED light that changes colors, and so you do it off the feel. So this This fancy stuff, disregard it. Don't go off of numbers for anything. Always go off of feel, and that's the safer route. In order to back up a trailer safely, you don't have to worry about your tail swing, which you'd have to worry on a camper like this right here. You see how much camper's behind those wheels? Well, that back end kicks out whenever you make a tight turn. So if you're trying to park it, you always have to be cognizant of that. This one right here has a little bobtail on it, so you don't have to really worry about it. So if I can ever help it, I always like to back, and if I'm curving, to my driver's side. And that way you can look in the mirror, and if you have to, you can crank your neck out the window and you can see what's happening. So for example, where we are right now, it's just about perfect. Too wide where you run over the bull with a tight fitting blue jeans. Yeah, just like that. We'll kind of straighten out right here since we got an obstruction off to the left, so kind of hug it a little wide, but not too wide. Yep, perfect. You're doing good. And then just keep your eye on them mirrors, and you'll be able to see how that camper turns in relation to this parked one here. Just like that. But when you leave here and you get on the service road, play with that. You know, you'll be able to get it up to 40, 45 mile an hour and tap on the brakes, see how it feels.
Okay.
On this gravel, it's so hard to show you because it's loose.
Yeah, okay.
And I couldn't get up it so fast. If I start doing 40 around here, I am going to get fired. When you see the truck right here, remember we got to turn wide. I don't want to be scraping red off your camper. I'd hate to do that, it'd break my heart. There you go, pop it in reverse, and you're just going to slowly kind of jack it on around. Mm-hmm. And you'll be able to see how that thing turns, and you can accommodate for it. This is the hardest part of pulling a camper, is backing one up. And once you see an angle about like that, go ahead and turn your wheel the opposite direction, and your truck should follow right on through.
The truck to go.
Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. But you have to kind of work it back and forth until you get the right radius on that turn. That's where experience comes in. Matter of fact, one of the best things you could do is tow this thing up to the mall parking lot or something that's empty, and practice parking it in those little tiny spaces. That's what I did when I was a kid. Yep, there you go. Yep, other way.
No, not that way.
Yep, there you go. We might be a little bit too tight, so when you get in that, there you go. All right, that's perfect. Yep. Now put it in reverse. Crank your wheel to the left. Nope, other left. There you go.
Still turning.
It's fine. We're gonna catch up with it. Takes a little while to slop out of that angle. Turn it sharper, if it goes any sharper. There you go. There you go. That ain't bad. And see, if you go past that, see if we're trying to get level with that other camper, you can go past that point right there, and it'll end up bringing the nose over, because you'll end up jacking your truck around to an angle that's pushing the nose. Yeah, just like that. Like I said, most of it's just experience and feel. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Just like anything else. You've done better than most. We ain't traded paint with nothing. Not a bad sign.
Keep it straight right here.
Yep, that's fine. We'll just keep you pointing towards the gate. That way we don't have to finagle you to get out of here.
Thank you very much.
Of course. I wish that I could put you under a better circumstance where we could feel this stuff. I didn't know you had all this fancy stuff. I didn't know you were buying a spaceship, but you'll get it.
Okay.
You'll get it. It ain't nothing but practice.
Your first spot? Got tables and chairs. Okay. Okay. Penthouse situation.
Okay,
Here we go. Let me. You ready?
Yep.
No, no. No. You was making good spacing before. Cause I think you could. I don't know. Okay. Turn it, turn it. You're turning the wheel the wrong way. You don't have to go forward. You just need to start turning the other way. You need to bring the right. Huh? No, you still got space right there. Okay, now you should just be able to coast that because it's going to correct. You don't have to turn the truck anymore. Don't turn the truck anymore. Okay. All right, now you got to stop. You're going to have to turn the wheel the opposite way. She in there. So what happened?
Hey y'all, so I came back to my home. So I'm back at the house, and I just wanted to give a little recap of how, not a recap, but just to talk about how I felt today at the shop. It took a little longer just because my awning lights, they weren't working, and they tried to fix it. They couldn't fix it, so I have to bring it back another day. So I'll figure that out when I want to bring it back. I started out feeling excited, you know, and a little nervous, not knowing what to expect really, since I've never towed a trailer or done anything with a trailer. So I was excited and a little nervous. Once I started driving it, it wasn't that bad at all to drive. I didn't experience any sway. I don't know what sway feels like because I've never towed anything, but I do have that that hitch. I have to tell y'all about it. So I didn't experience any sway, and the ride was great. Like driving it, I didn't come across many trucks. I think I went like past one truck, and we weren't going fast. Traffic I was around, which wasn't that much, it went well. I was surprised that part was as easy as it was. but the backing up, I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was gonna be an expert. They say backing up is the hardest thing, and dealing with RVs, and I was like, yeah, I'm sure it will be, but I'm sure I got it. Let me tell y'all, I ain't have it. I did not have it, and I had to have some help, and luckily there were people around to help. I didn't get much footage of that because I was trying to focus on not breaking stuff, meaning my truck, my RV, and anybody else's cars around me. I didn't want to hit anything, so I didn't record that stuff. I wanted to try to be focused. But yeah, backing up caused me a whole lot of stress, So I know it's something that I'll get better at if I practice, but I'm telling you, I don't even really want to practice it. That's how much it frustrated me and stressed me out. So, I mean, we went out to eat, and I guess I'll talk about that another time. I don't feel like talking about it right now. And when we got there, so I did it twice today, and I needed help both times. First time I got talked through it, and I was able to get it done. Second time, I had to get somebody to do it for me because I couldn't get it to work for me. But you know, I know that I will practice it and I'll get better at it, and I'll be making an updated video, who knows how far down the line, where I'm talking to people about how to get through it, you know, their first times or after that, whatever. That's the only thing that was stressful though. And I'm trying not to focus just on that part, because the day went really well. Hey y'all, so I did want to just formally introduce myself to y'all. My name is Christie, and this is C.CarterTravels. I am just excited. I'm excited about YouTube. I'm excited about this journey and this RV life. I'm excited about this new chapter in life in general that I am getting into, and I am excited about y'all coming along with me. It's a whole lot of excitement over here, okay? And yeah, I've read a lot of comments on other social media sites. C.CarterTravels, if y'all looking for me on any other social media site. And y'all seem just as excited about this as I am. And y'all don't know how much that type of positive energy means to me. So I just want y'all to know I appreciate it. I would like for y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the notification bell, then you'll definitely know when I'll be posting more videos, because I have a lot of videos to share with y'all. I have been in it for about a month and a half, and this month and a half has been wonderful. I'm telling you, I have enjoyed myself, and I'm looking forward to sharing the information that I've gained with y'all and helping y'all out, or just providing some, you know, a little entertainment here and there, you know. But yeah, so let me know if y'all like what y'all saw. And I definitely plan on replying to comments. But yeah, I'm going to sleep. All right, bye y'all.